Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to do squishy tag with my own idea because I read some of the comments. How about squishy tag? So I'm gonna do a squishy tag. Sorry if I didn't film like 3 days because school is here. And yeah. So this is all of my squishy. It's not that a lot, but yeah. So first one is my own idea is what is my favorite squishy? My favorite squishy is this bear squishy. And it's slow rising. And it smells like chocolate. What is your like if you want to be real food? I'm gonna pick Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. This is so cute. I wish we have this like the real food, that the real bread with a dog. What is your most scented squishy? I'm gonna do it is this one. This coffee mug because it's like so good. This is smells like grape, and let's give it a squish. I think this is how the real squish. So yeah. What is your favorite squishy? Oh, I already. What is your defected squishy? I'm gonna pick this one. Not this one. This Rilakkuma bun. That's not like Rilakkuma anymore. But I'm gonna paint this like I'm gonna do this. Like I'm gonna cover it and like it's like boom. Very squishy. What is your cutest squishy? My cutest squishy is this one. Oh, sorry if like it has this thingy. What is your most slow rising? So this one. Still rising. What is your squad squishy? Like you have like a lot of that squishy? Because my favorite squishy is like, since I didn't have a squishy, is this. I have a lot of this. This chess ball. And I have this, like that time I love emojis, so when I see this squishy, this is like, wow, I love this. I bring this to school, so like my classmate do this. So hot. So yeah. What you gonna pick, squishy or slime? I'm gonna pick, I love slime, I love squishy. Where is my slime? that I make. So I love this slime also, but I love more squishy. So I think I'm gonna do like from the slime like a 2 hearts, from the squishy like a 5 hearts, because of that, because purple banana 25. Guys, check out my Musical.ly account. It is, I'm gonna put it down below. So I think that's all, because I don't, wait, one more. What do you want? Stress ball? You keep falling. Stress ball or squishy? This is like things. I'm gonna pick squishy, but if I'm bored like I'm doing like this, but this is so hard. When I bought this, I squish it like a little bit slow rising because from the air. And this is like my favorite squishy in the whole entire life. So yeah. So I think that's all, guys. So bye, guys. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you want more video like this, please subscribe, like, and comment. Love you. Squishy Scud forever.